Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Prado. Today we have 2009 Toyota Prado, stock number 6674. It's frame from the 8th 2004 to the 10th 2009. It has a 1GR FE 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GR FE 4 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.